pretty gang? Today's video is gonna be my summer hygiene routine. I'm gonna show you guys how to get it right because a lot of people don't notice. And boys, this could work for you too. You know what I'm saying? If you want to try out some of the things I'm gonna say in this video, this is not only for girls. A lot of people don't notice in the summer, us girls as women and as guys too, we have to work a little bit harder than we normally do. You know what I'm saying? Because now it's hot, so we got to make sure we got that hygiene on lock. You feel me? So I also got some tips for my girls who are a little bit on the thicker side. You know, my plus size girls. I got you. So before we get into the video, first and foremost, I need you guys to go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you enjoy this video, please hit that thumbs up button for me. That lets me know like what type of content y'all like. Comment down below what you want to see next because I care about what y'all want to see. Without further ado, let's just get into the video. Okay, so I got all the stuff I need right here gathered up. So, in the shower, we washing up. Okay, so the first thing you want to do, it is the summertime. There's two options you can do, and this goes for my girls especially and boys. When you washing your body and your private parts, you either want to wash up with cold water, and I do mean cold. It's hot outside. Cold water ain't gonna kill you. It's gonna feel good. You're gonna feel really refreshed, I'm telling you. Or wash up with hot, and I do mean hot water. If your body can't stand hot water, then I recommend you using cold, because cold or hot water will really knock out those smells. Warm water will not do that for you. It just won't knock those smells out like cold or hot water. So we got that. I'm gonna say cold because it's too hot to be trying to take a hot shower. Got the cold water going, getting all over our body. You want to get your body really, really wet. Make sure we're nice and clean. It's our Dove bar soap. Now, beat up. It's a little beat up because it got smushed in the bag, but this is a brand new bar. You can use regular cough towels. That's cool. But if you really want to get a really good cleanse, I highly recommend getting you some of these microfiber towels. I highly, highly, highly recommend it. Get very, very soapy, and they clean your body really, really good. I'm telling you, it's a clutch. You're gonna love it. You take your microfiber towel and you get it really, really damp. Then you take your bar soap and soap that towel up really, 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 really good. Really like the cucumber one. If you're really trying to smell really fresh, I'm gonna put a picture right here. Get that, y'all. It's the smell you need for the summer. That's the bar you need for the summer. You get that towel really, really soapy, and you just go over your body 2 to 3 times. Like, get that back really good, get in between those toes. Don't be trifling, don't wash your toes. That buttocks, clean everything down really, really thoroughly, okay? Once you do that, you're gonna go in with the body wash. The body wash is just gonna make sure you smell super duper good. So body washes that I like is this, the Deep Moisture Dove. Don't mind how much my nails is. I be trial and error. Love this. This is probably my favorite one because it really does moisturize your skin deeper, and the smell on this is just really, really good. I love the smell on it. You're gonna smell fresh, girl. This is perfect for the summer. And then I really like this one. This is only $1 out the dollar store. Yes, girl, I'm telling you. This cleans your body really good. Like, for this to be $1, it does the job. So this cleans your body really good, and the scent. But if you really want to smell fruity and strong, soak your towel up with that and go over your body 2 to 3 times. Time to go to the poom poom. Now you gotta make sure your poom poom is clean. Now the best way for it to smell clean is to not do too much. Some people like to use 2 different types of cleansers. Some people like to do douching and all this extra stuff. Baby girl, all you need is to cleanse your cooch with soap and water thoroughly. It's because it's sensitive, or the sensitive Dove soap. And basically you just want to soap it up with soap it really good. Clean your downstairs area thoroughly. Make sure you have enough room to maneuver. Put your leg up on the shower. Do whatever it is that you have to do, sweetheart. Get in between those lips, those folds, and thoroughly. Make sure it's super soapy so the towel is just gliding. And then clean that buttocks thoroughly. If it's soapy, it's just gonna glide real good. Clean it a few times, and you want to do that too, however many times you feel like you need. Now we get our body nice and thoroughly clean. Now this is completely optional. Everybody does not like to do this, so I will not force this upon you. If you are someone who won't mind or does do this, make sure you are shaved. Try to stay shaved. Guys, don't feel ashamed if you gotta shave your pubic hairs. Don't feel ashamed if you gotta shave under your arms so you can smell even fresher. It just, hair traps smell. Basically it leads to extra moisture and it traps smell. When you don't have any hair, the smell or the moisture doesn't have anything to hold on to, so you don't have to worry about that smell being there. You know what I'm saying? If you want to know how to shave, I got a video on how to get the perfect shave. I'm gonna try to put it in the little card thing up here. Just click the I button and you'll find it. If you're not gonna shave, keep it as low as possible. Try to keep it trimmed because that is what makes you smell even better. If you want to know how to get a really good shave, you're gonna, like I said, click my video. This is perfect, okay? This is perfect for you. If you are somebody that has sensitive skin, if you want to use one with scent, go right ahead. I am sensitive and I can't put any smells down there, so this is what I use, and this is perfect. It gets you nice and smooth clean. It softens the hairs and gives you that smooth clean that you need. Put on some lotion and Vaseline. Now you don't have to do both. You can do one or the other. I do recommend this lotion 100% because not only is it affordable, it's thicker, and it smells good, and it makes your scents that you spray on you last a lot longer. Petroleum Jelly, I like the way that it makes my skin look. When I add this, when I put these two together, it makes my skin have this beautiful glow. I just look moist. I look like I'm stress-free. Like, I look like I'm living my best life when I put these two on. You know what I'm saying? You put these on after you shave, it's just nothing better than that. Once you do that, make sure you apply it behind your ears, you know what I'm saying, your neck. If you can't reach your back, have somebody do it for you. I asked my little sister to do it for me, and she doesn't mind. Between your toes. Do not be out here this summer, y'all, with crusty feet. We not doing that, ladies. And guess what I got up for you? Since we on quarantine, on lockdown, your girl got a DIY pedicure video up for you. I was supposed to say manicure. Pedicure video up for you, and I'm gonna link that right there. I have my 2 favorite scents that I think will be perfect for the summer. If you want to smell good this summer, your girl got you, okay? I got you with the scent. This is a perfect fruity scent for the summer. This Ecology cucumber melon. Picked it up from Walgreens. It was like $4 or $5. I don't know. It was cheap. Then you get you some Beautiful Day. Beautiful summer scent. You gonna smell popping. I got you, girl. This is Pure Seduction by Victoria's Secret. I know y'all get tired of seeing these perfumes on my channel, but these are good. You want to spray this behind your ears, your neck, the back of your neck, under your arm, wrist, ankles, behind your leg. Also, what I like to do, what I also recommend, is taking your clothes that you're gonna wear for that day and spraying them down, like just your shirt and like the pants that you're gonna wear that day. I highly recommend spraying those down, just so you can smell a little bit more, you know what I'm saying? So now that you got your perfume nice and going and ready, we want to move on to the deodorant. Now, I feel like deodorant is an essential that a lot of people don't really pay too much attention to what kind of deodorant they put on, which I feel like you definitely should, and it really works. And not only that, the scent is going to be perfect for the summer. It just smells so fresh. It smells so good. Girls and boys can wear it. What I recommend is great for the summer, okay? In the summer, we're going to sweat. We're going to be out with friends and family, you know, loved ones, significant others. We're going to sweat, especially if you work out. I recommend using cornstarch baby powder. This, you see, it says after shower deodorant. Cornstarch is what you want to get. Don't go get no Johnson Johnson. Get strictly cornstarch baby powder because this is effective and safe for us girls to use. Don't recommend you go putting it on your cooch, but I do recommend on your side, right next to it, like where you would sweat normally. Just put a little bit in your hands and just wipe a little bit there, you know what I'm saying? Don't put too much to where like it'll be all on your cooch, you know what I'm saying? Same thing on the other side. Put a little bit in your hands, wipe it on the thigh, you know what I'm saying, where you would sweat or where you were like from walking, your thighs will rub together and get irritated. That will help a lot. So get it right. Don't put it on your cooch. Do not do that. Please do not do that. You want to take it and put a little bit under your armpits after you put your deodorant on. That'll keep your armpits from sweating so much. So if you're somebody who sweats a lot and your armpits be sweating, that is a helpful tip. So y'all, that is pretty much it for this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, if you find some of these tips helpful, come back and let me know. Thumbs this video up and make sure you are subscribing to tell everybody you know about your girl so they can become a part of the gang, pretty gang, right along with you. So with that being said, that's pretty much it. Until next time, pretty gang, peace.
Right there, Vortex. Right there, Vortex.